South Central Alabama, Central Monroe County in South Central Alabama, Escambia County in South Central Alabama, Conecuh County in South Central Alabama, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Peterman to 4 miles southeast of Uriah to 7 miles east of Stockton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atmore, Monroeville, Brewton, Evergreen, Frisco City, McCullough, Peterman, East Brooklyn, Joliet, McKenzie, Castleberry, Excel, Renton, Riverview, I-65 and US-84, Interstate 65 and County Road 1, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 113, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 21, and Forks Creek Reservation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central and Southwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Butler, Conecuh, Escambia, and Monroe.